Hello, it's Technology Central here, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the average functions in Google Sheets. There are three different types of average that we're going to consider. The first is the mean. The mean is where you add up all of the values and then divide by how many there are. So in this case, if we wanted to find the average quantity sold, so the mean quantity sold, we would add up these values, then divide by 6 because there are 6 values in our list here. The mean in Google Sheets is represented by the average function. So let's use it. We start by typing equals average. Then we select the range that we want to find the average value of, like so. We close the brackets and press enter. As you can see, the average number sold is 248. Let's also find the mean price. Again, we're going to use the average function for this. So we're going to choose equals average, then select the range of prices. Close brackets and press enter. The average price is £27.50. We can also find the median price. The median is our second type of average. This means we'll take the maximum and minimum values and then find the midpoint between the two, and that'll be our median price. We can find the median using the median function. So we type equals median, and then select our range of prices. We close the brackets and press enter. We've now found our median as £26. The final type of average, which doesn't really apply in this case, but we're going to show you for demonstration purposes, is the mode. The mode is used when you have lots of recurring data, and I'll show you which of them is the most frequent. In this case, we've got 9 twice, so 9 will be our mode. To find the mode, we use the mode function. So we type equals mode, open the brackets, and again select our range, which we want to find the mode in. Finally, close brackets and press enter. As you can see, we've got the value of £9. That's all we wanted to show you in this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you have, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Also, make sure you check out all of our other tutorials on how to use Google Sheets on our channel. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.